Yo, Master King Chef J-Rod in the building. I got a special treat for y'all today. We are making an appetizer. It is football season, so I'm gonna give y'all something else to do besides the average, fried chicken wings. So check this out. Today, we are gonna make egg rolls. We're gonna make Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. So if I was you, I would not go anywhere. Stick around.
Now we are always getting flavors every day of the week. Shout out to Chef Jaden, he done saved you a seat. Like, comment, and subscribe, and go and put on repeat. And now wait. Take out your seasoning and make it rain on that thing. This the type of cooking make him buy you a ring. Don't compare Chef Jay, cause he ain't the same. And that's for real though, you know the deal though. And I know you probably heard it through the grapevine, that everything that he makes, it is straight fire. Lobster macaroni to the crab cake and the ribeye. Super Bowl videos, go get ready for the fish fry. Or some Nashville hot chicken for some kickback, Or some Henny hot wings just to get slapped, He moving up to greater things, ain't no get back, He the best of everything, Chef J-Rod the Master King.
So welcome back, y'all. So today, man, I'm gonna show y'all how to do a real quick appetizer that you can eat when you're watching the football game on Sunday, or Thursday, or Saturday, or Monday. Any one of those days, because football is almost every night now. Right here, I have some sirloin, right? You can easily do this yourself. You can buy some sirloin or some ribeye and shave it really small if you have a slicer, all right? Or cut it really thin. But I buy it already shaved. It saves me some time. We sell a crap load of them in the restaurant. So that's some prime sirloin right there that's already shaved thin and ready to go. And then I got some fresh peppers right here. I got some garlic right here. I got an array of seasonings. And then I have some pepper jack cheese. Now, when you're doing this, you can use whatever cheeses you like, however many cheeses you like. And when I'm stuffing it, like I'm gonna show y'all, you can put whatever you want in it. You can put as much as you want and as less as you want. Right here, I have some egg roll wrappers, right? And then I have some egg wash. This helps seals it when I'm rolling it. So what I'm gonna do right now is show you guys how to cook this Philly egg roll meat. So what I'm gonna do first is cook these peppers first, right? I have peppers, some red bell peppers and green bell peppers. If you like mushrooms, you can add that. If you like onions, you can add that. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my flat top. If you don't have a flat top, you can easily do this in a saute pan. Put the peppers on top of there like that. Yeah, it's talking to you. It's really cooking, y'all. Put that on there like that. And here I just got some salt, pepper mix. You always gotta season your vegetables, y'all. So we're just gonna let that cook and get a little soft, and then we're gonna add the meat next to it. See that beautiful sirloin steak right there? Shaved nice and thin. Goes right on top of it. Now, I put that on top of there. I hit it with some garlic, some onion. This is onion powder, so I can have that flavor. Then I got some Old Bay. Now, a lot of people use Old Bay for seafood, but I put that on everything. And this ain't the new Bay, this is the Old Bay. This gives it so much flavor, y'all. And then there's a technique I use where I take the back of this and then I make it really thin. And this is how I chop it up. And then we just start mixing it together. About 3 minutes, I'm gonna pull it off and let it cool. Listen, you don't want it to dry out. You want it to stay nice and moist like that. So at this time, it's time to take it off, get your 2 spatulas like that, come over here like that, and boom, beautiful. Now, we're gonna put this in the freezer because you can't roll it hot. We're gonna put this in the freezer for about 5 minutes, let it cool off, and I'm gonna show y'all how to roll it. All right, y'all, so we waited. Everything is cool now, and let me show y'all how to wrap. First, you gotta get yourself some egg roll wrappers, right? You put them down here diagonally. That's how I do it anyway, diagonally. diagonally. It's one word, it sounds like a lot of words. Then you take some egg wash. Honestly, this is just straight egg because you want it to be able to stick. So you go up like that and you go down like that, right? And this is what's gonna seal the egg roll in. I'll do it again right here. Go up like that and down like that, right? Don't be, scared about making a mess because all you gotta do is get some soap and water to clean it up. So then you take the Philly egg roll meat. See how nice and moist that is? You don't want it to be all dried out because we're gonna cook it some more, right? All right, you gotta take this Philly egg roll meat, make sure you get a nice amount of peppers in there, and you put it in here just like such, right? And you're gonna do the same thing with this one. Usually you can have a measuring cup or something so you don't put the same amount in each one. Here I have pepper jack cheese. You can put as much cheese as you want or as less cheese as you want. Totally up to you how you bake your egg roll. It's yours, it ain't mine. So here go the fun part, here go the roller part. So boom, you take this right here, you pull it over, right? Then you take this one, you pull it over. You take this one, you pull it over. And as you tuck, you roll. As you roll, you tuck. Because you don't want anything to come out. As you roll, you tuck. And the key is for this to end up right here. Nothing's seeping out. Tucking as you rolling. And boom, you have a perfect egg roll right here. Now, if I was gonna store this, I would dredge it with cornstarch. But this bad baby going right to the fryer. Let's do it again. So pull that over like that. Take that over like that. Take that over like that. Now, as you roll, I'm doing it really slow. You tuck and roll at the same time. You don't want nothing to sneak out of there. You don't want nothing to leak out. And then, what we're gonna do now, is roll it. Perfect egg rolls. These are beautiful egg rolls. We're gonna take them right to the fryer. 350 degrees for about 6 minutes. Yeah, beautiful oil. So I'm gonna make a quick sauce for this, right? So at the restaurant, I have ranch, homemade. I have a sweet and sour sauce or a sweet chili sauce. So I'm gonna make a quick sweet chili ranch sauce for these egg rolls. So I got ranch, got sweet chili, and let's just mix it together. Now we got a sweet chili ranch for our egg rolls. How cool is that? All right, so I had to put a basket on top of a basket so the egg rolls could cook evenly because they're so airy and they don't float around. I mean, they float around a little bit, so this keeps them submerged in the oil. And you pull them up, you let it drain. I usually do one basket on top like that so the excess oil can drain. Give it a couple minutes. TV time though. Bring them right over here. Now, here's the moment of truth, people. Let's cut this thing open. Y'all ready? Beautiful egg roll. Beautiful, beautiful egg roll. So now I'm just gonna put this thing on a plate for y'all. Put a little microgreens right there. Get a little egg roll like that. Some more egg roll like that. I got that, that sweet chili ranch. I'm gonna take some Parmesan cheese and top it just like that. Man, and there y'all go, man. Here's the Philly cheesesteak egg roll. Y'all check it out. All right, camera guy, looking pretty good, looking pretty good. It's a beautiful piece of work right there, man. So, y'all know chef don't eat no mayonnaise, no ranch, no sour cream. I cook with all that stuff and I taste it. But when it comes to me, I don't eat it. So, got my own sweet sour sauce right here. I'm gonna take this egg roll, pour the sauce over it like that there. And then I'm gonna taste this for y'all. It's hot now, it's hot. That is delicious. It's still nice and moist. You can see it. So moist. Egg roll The wrapper itself gives it a nice crunch. You got the savory of the seasonings we put in there, the garlic, the onions, those bell peppers that just go in there and mellow out so flawlessly. This egg roll is fire. This egg roll is straight fire. Man, this is so good. Listen, guys, I really appreciate you all so much. I appreciate you watching these videos. And remember, always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank y'all for watching. God bless. Man, so we waited patiently for those Philly cheesesteak element. And come on with it. We still got the grits in there from the last video. And it's supposed to be another day. I got a different shirt on. I don't know how the hell that happened. I think we went back to the future. I think that's what we did. We'll be right back. Listen, I appreciate